Hello everyone. So let's solve this activity from your textbook. Okay. So what is given? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ चा रेशो आपल्याला लिहायचा आहे, right? So we know base into height. Okay. So in triangle ABC, BC is base and AR is height. Okay. So just write down BC is base into height. AR is height. Okay. And in triangle APQ, what is the base? PQ is base and again AR is the height for this triangle. So just write down PQ base into height AR. Okay. AR is common, will get cancel. So what is our final answer? BC upon PQ. In second activity, okay, again two triangles are given, we have to find the ratio. Base into height, LMN. In triangle LMN, MN is a base and LP is a height. So MN into LP. Okay. And in triangle DMN, MN is a base and DQ is height. Again base same. So just write down LP upon DQ. Now in third activity, what is given? In triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of segment AB, okay, and CM is the median of this triangle, okay, and we have to find again ratio. What is the formula for area of a triangle? Half into base into height. Half will get cancelled. So base for AMC is AM, right, and BMC is MB. आणि जर आपण हाईट ऑब्झर्व केली तर हाईट दोघही ट्रायंगल साठी काय आहे? सेम आहे. सो आपण डायरेक्टली एच कन्सिडर करूया, राइट. सो बेस इंटू हाईट फॉर दिस AMC, AM into H, base into height, and for BMC again BM into H, base into height. Height will get cancelled. So AM upon BM. अजून एक गोष्ट आपल्याला माहिती आहे ती म्हणजे M is the midpoint of AB, म्हणजे AM is equal to काय असणार आहे? BM. So they will get cancelled. Final answer is 1. Thank you.